All right, guys, let's make some pasta. Let's get hot water, some salt, toss it in, and then take whatever pasta you like. I'm gonna go with some thin spaghetti by Barilla, if I said that right. If not, it's okay. And it's just me tonight eating, so it's making a mess here. Take about that much spaghetti and we'll just toss it in. There we go. All right, and today we have some grated Parmesan, so we'll just go and grate some of that. And really, it depends on how much pasta you're making. But today, since I'm only making enough for one, I'll make maybe half a cup. But we'll see. Grind this down and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, see how much we have. Oh, we'll add some more. Alright, pasta's done. Back to the pan. Add some butter. I'll grab some olive oil. I'll just add a little bit in. And actually, we will grab some fresh ground black pepper. And just add about maybe 5 or 6 turns of it. Don't need a whole bunch, but that should be good, about right there for the amount of pasta we have. Perfect. All right, next, let's grab that olive oil I was talking about. And we'll just add a little bit right over here. Not much. We'll mix in the butter. Cool. So we did save some pasta water. That'll come into play here in a minute. So grab your pasta. We'll let this saute for a minute. Add some pasta. There we go. Got the pasta in there. So grab your cheese. Add about, bring it back to the picture so you can see. Add about a little bit more. Save some for the end because we want to top it with some Parmesan as well. So that should be good. Grab your pasta water. Add in just a little bit of pasta water. And just going to toss it together. We're just going to toss the pasta. Let that combine, let that melt. All right, we got that. Go and grab a plate. Gonna plate up. It's kind of like a nice, creamy kind of sauce that we made. Cool. And then top it with the rest of your cheese. There we go. And we'll just top it with a little bit of pepper. There you go. You have a delicious, easy, simple pasta recipe. Go and grab a fork and enjoy. And this is a very simple recipe you make anytime. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think. See you guys.